Welcome to Unit 3.2. In this unit, we're going to learn how to modify, chart, add titles, change colors, etc. The first thing you need to do is select your chart. Once you've selected it, you will find the Chart Tools ribbon comes up here at the top. Remember that if you're not on the chart, it disappears. So let's click back there again. We have two ribbons, the Design ribbon and the Format ribbon. Remember, format always means color changes, etc. So let's start with the Design ribbon. The first thing we need to recognize is the Add Chart element. Almost everything to do with the modifying of your charts is found in this particular list. So first of all, there is a chart title. You could also choose it here and choose to where you would like it, center, overlaid, or above the chart. Let's just say above chart. And once you've typed it in, push enter. What I'll also need is some axis labels, so at the bottom and up on the left-hand side. So back to Design again, Add Chart Element, Axis Titles. Let's start with our horizontal, which is the axis title at the bottom. And let's put our year in and enter. Back again to Add Chart Element. Primary vertical, which means this is the title running up the side. And it depends what those numbers mean. It could be currency, it could be units sold, it could be number of people, it depends what you're graphing, and enter. The next thing I'd like to do is data labels, and I'm going to choose outside end, and as you can see in the graph, it's putting the value above the column. I could have a call out like that. That looks a little bit too busy for this chart, so I'm going to leave it on the outside end. That is how you get your data labels on your columns. Let's go to Legend. Now Legend is the key, North, Gauteng, Cape Town, etc. I prefer mine at the top, but you can put it wherever you like, on the right hand side, at the bottom, etc. Let's select Sales Monthly, go Home, bold it, perhaps make it a bit bigger, underline it, etc. Let's bold our axis titles as well. Perhaps bold our Legend as well. And that's how you modify a chart. Now what I could do is I may at some point decide I'd like to change the chart type. So let's go back to Design, change chart type, and here you'll see on the left hand side are all the available different chart types. Let's choose Line, gives me a preview, and I click on OK, and it will change it into a line chart. Let's go back, change chart type again, back to a column chart again. I could have a bar chart lying on its side as well. There are alternative ways of doing things as well. You'll notice that there's a little plus sign there. That also gives you all the chart elements. So if I decided I didn't want a Legend, I could just uncheck it. If I want it back, I can check it again. Over here we've got chart styles, which is the same as our chart styles up here. Remember, these are predefined setups which you could just choose and it will automatically change your chart. And over here, which is quite nice, is you also have a filter. So perhaps you don't want April in this particular one, and I can just deselect it and apply it, and you'll notice it disappears. So you have a filter there as well. Alternatively, you could always right click as well. So I could right click, format the data series, and it will appear, all the formatting options will appear on the right hand side. You could also do that. Let's try and format a color here. So I'm going to select the blue columns. As you can see, it selects the whole series. Let's go to our Format tab and change the shape full to another color. As you can see, I've now made it orange. If you have particular corporate colors, you could go to Shape Fill, say More Fill Colors, and in your custom you need to put the red, green, blue measurement of your corporate color over there, and OK.